Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya aka Glam by Pragya. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to join the Glam Squad where I talk about skin, makeup, hair. So today's video is all about chemical exfoliators from Dot & Key. So there are a few chemical exfoliators in Dot & Key that look really appealing and you want to grab them. But I just want to clarify that you don't need to grab all the chemical exfoliators you see in the website. So that's why I made this video, because I have really tried and tested out, and I'm going to be showing you demos and results, visible results, like how it works on my skin. I'm also going to be telling you guys like which chemical exfoliators will suit which type of skin, so it would be more easier for you to buy if you are just trying to buy only one product. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get rolling. So coming to the first product is this one. This is the Dot & Key Zit Zapping Skin Clarifying Face Serum. This serum is really good for zits, pimples and also other acne like fungal acne and all of. This product has a potent blend of salicylic acid and purifying botanicals like tea tree and clary sage oils. It fights acne bacteria, suppresses the breakouts and fades the post-acne blemishes. It is a must-have for clear and decongested skin. Tea tree acts as an anti-inflammatory ingredient, reducing the redness, and it has antimicrobial properties, reducing the swelling and irritation. Clary sage oil works in healing the rashes and specially works on fungal acne, reducing the skin inflammation, balances the oil level so that your skin doesn't feel dry or stretchy. Salicylic acid works as an active acne ingredient because it is really oil soluble, goes deep under the layers of your skin and really removes the dead cells. And I have been using this serum for past 2 to 3 weeks. The serum is so lightweight and it is so good that it will easily absorb in your skin, and it is really good if you are applying underneath your makeup because it kind of gives you a barrier to your skin, like you are applying your makeup but it has a barrier, like your skin is like having a shield and then you're applying your makeup. And if you don't want to apply this all across your face, you can really work it as a spot treatment. You can just apply wherever you have acne bumps, and this is really good for that purpose. And coming to the fragrance, it doesn't have that strong fragrance. It has a very natural essence kind of fragrance, so which is not that powerful and it will not irritate you. If you use the anti-pollution green clay mask from Dot & Key, it is the exact smell of that. This product is really good for oily skin, yes, but mainly for sensitive skin, because this is amazing for sensitive skin, because sensitive skin people cannot use high potent chemical exfoliations. I am from a sensitive skin family. I feel those irritations. That's why I'm trying to help you out here. So if you are from sensitive skin family, or if you are having acne, fungal acne, black hair, I would highly suggest to use this one. You will see beautiful results, trust me. Now coming to the second product which I'm really excited about is this one. This is the Dot & Key Glow Potion. This is the Dot & Key Hydro Peel Glow Potion. It is 10% AHA plus 2% BHA exfoliating serum. It is a serum formulated mask, like it is a mask that you have to keep it on your skin for 10 minutes and then wash it off, but it is in a serum formulation. It contains glycolic acid, lactic acid, salicylic acid as the three main ingredients to give you that chemical exfoliation. So I have been honestly using this Hydro Peel Glow thing for 2 months now, but I do have acne scars which I'm working on. Now just let's go ahead with the clips where I kind of showed you my skin and how I applied and what were the results and everything. This glow potion is made with naturally derived fruit acids like pineapple, grapefruit, green apple, tomato, which have unique skin refining and renewing properties. It gently kind of removes the dead skin cells and improves the appearance of spots and blemishes. combining 10% glycolic and lactic acids with 2% BHA, that is salicylic acid. This is a super concentrated exfoliating serum, makes your skin visibly smoother, firmer and softer. The BHA goes deeper into your skin to unclog pores and work wonderfully to improve the rough patches and dry skin and enlarged pores. So now I'm gonna keep it for 10 minutes. It is really itchy, like my face is itching. There is a very tingling sensation all across. Like I can feel like something is happening. Like I can really feel that tingling sensation. Like not even kidding. Like after 10 minutes, it's like my face has become quite red. Like you can see it was irritating my skin. You see like there is this glow. My forehead is like shining like a bulb. So just a quick update you guys, I just wanted to show you how my skin looks like after the serum peel, because this is after the application. So at that time you saw these acnes were very much like active, and over here also, so they have kind of dried down, and there is no active acne, it's very much dried, and also these areas have dried, so I don't have any active acne over here. These are two active acnes that I just had because of that peel, because it kind of brought out the gunk. So this serum is really good for oily skin people and also for dry skin people. But if you have sensitive skin, I would not suggest this product. I myself have sensitive skin. In 2 months, I have just used 4 times. You can really use this product. It is good product. But if you are from extreme sensitive family, then I would say don't buy this product. Or if you are willing to buy it, like me, if you just can't resist yourself, they have mentioned over here to use it twice a week, but I would say apply it once a week, because it is a very active ingredient exfoliator and it will really give you the very tingly sensation. If you overuse it, you will make your skin more sensitive and more prone to acne. So now coming to the last product is this one. This is the AHA BHA toner. Now this product is actually really great for dry to normal skin people. I will not recommend this product to oily skin people, as I am from a oily skin category and sensitive skin category. I did not purchase this product because it is not for oily skin girls out there. It is basically for dry skin people to give and restore the moisture. If you are someone with sensitive skin family, if you are someone with acne prone family, if you are someone with oily skin family, I will really suggest not to buy this toner, because it will kind of break you out more, and as it is a toner, so it's gonna lay on your skin for a very long time, so it is gonna make your skin more sensitive, more irritating in later on. So you don't need to use so many chemical exfoliators right on your skin. I'll just show you a chart over here what Dot & Key says regarding which product should be used by which people. So here is the chart, just go ahead and look. So yeah, that's it guys. So I think I have covered all the points which I really wanted to say you guys about this product, this whole Dot & Key. I really love this brand because they are really doing great. I really love their packaging and everything, the way they represent the product to us, and I think they are doing an incredible job in mentioning all the ingredients, the percentage and everything on the cardboard packaging here, which is really. And if you have any other queries, don't forget to comment below. I will answer to you guys. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like my video and share to your friends if they really need any help. And that's it guys, we'll see you in my next video.